Hi everyone, I am Simran Lekhi, founder and blogger of Motherhood The Real Story. Today we're going to talk about how to stay mentally healthy during a pandemic. Mental health, lockdown, children. Who would have thought that these three words we can say in the same line? Except that it's 2020 and we're stuck in a pandemic. Prior to the lockdown, I distinctly remember that most of us as parents had very nicely coordinated our children's days with classes, coaching, extra play dates, everything, and our only role was just to sort of coordinate their day. But here we are, stuck with our children, literally stuck with our children at home. And we're not used to spending so much of time at a stretch with our children, and nor are they. So it's bound to lead to a lot of burnout sort of situation. I distinctly remember, just when the lockdown had started, हम लोगों ने इनिशियली इतनी ज़्यादा चीज़ें ऑनलाइन देखी थी. वर्चुअल जू विजिट्स हो रहे थे, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हो रही हैं, जूम मीटिंग्स हो रही हैं, everything. We had done so many things, but अब it's been 3 months and now parents and children are reaching a sort of a burnout zone, and that is why it is so important to talk about mental health awareness during coronavirus. So here I have listed a few things that I feel can be used to being mentally sane and calm during these times. Also, I am not a professional, I'm not a doctor, I'm just a simple parent who is trying to figure out the right and wrong during such a calamity. If you disagree with any of my points, it's absolutely okay. My husband and I, a long time back, decided that we're going to agree to disagree on things. A lot of things, actually. Use grandparents in abundance. As Indians, I think we are fortunate to be living with our in-laws, and this is the time when, before the lockdown, I remember the children would hardly see their grandparents because clash of timing, social obligations. They would just at many days at a stretch not see each other. एंड नाउ बिकॉज पेरेंट्स भी घर पे हैं, उनका भी अच्छा टाइम पास हो जाते हैं, बच्चे 2 घंटे एटलीस्ट उनके साथ रोज़ बिताते हैं, एंड ये बॉन्डिंग इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट है स्पेशली ऐसे टाइम पे. सो वी मस्ट encourage that, and for those whose parents or in-laws are not living with them, please use online platforms. Zoom is such a good way of having, during these online sessions, you can have storytelling, you can have dancing classes, you can have yoga, you can even tell your parents to take out their old photographs of yours, and show it to the children. Children love seeing their parents as babies. And of course, you can always talk about the common enemy and the parents, and the children love doing all these things with the grandparents. So this is a good time कि उनको 1-2 घंटा उनके साथ busy करने दो, and then you get your own time and just sort of relax in that. The other point is, these dance parties. We have started this much before, and you can apply it now also, that this is the best time to dance the blues away. We select 2 songs from each family member and we made a playlist. So every day after dinner, we sort of have a dance party with the lights out and loud music, and everybody's dancing and just relaxing. It's a great way to de-stress yourself and work out, very good workout. It keeps you fit, and also lets the children so exhausted that they just immediately pass out in bed. But इसका ध्यान दीजिएगा कि आप उनसे पहले ना सो जाएं, वरना बहुत दिक्कत हो जाती है. The next thing that we have done is that we have made a dedicated corner or a space for the children. So let the children take a lead on this. Let them identify a place in your house which you can sort of give them exclusively, and they feel like they own it. So we've taken a small area in the living room, and the children have made a tent over there, which is their alone time. So they love spending time in that mini tent. Tent is just a table and a chadar uske upar, koi itna hi-fi tent nahi hai. They have set it up, they put their toys, their books, and they feel so nice to just be in there. तो currently जो हमारे घर का बार है वो अभी एक पॉकेट हुड टेंट है, तो it's okay. They are there busy for 1 hour, it's fine. Secondly, support from fellow moms is such a huge group. I cannot tell you. When you're feeling down and low and you're just frustrated because बच्चे भी tantrums throw कर रहे हैं, so I immediately call up my fellow mothers who, when I talk to them, we realize कि सब same situation में फंसे हुए हैं, and it feels nice to vent out, and we use wonderful adjectives for our children, and it just makes you feel lighter and more relaxed. So that's a very very, like, your core support group is very very important. The next thing that I want to talk about is that we need to just let go. Don't fret about the smaller things. मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा है कि मैं कह रही हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम सच अ हाइपर पर्सन. आई एम ऑल द टाइम जस्ट, आई कॉन्ट स्टैंड स्टिल. मेरे को हमेशा चीज़ें अपने तरीके से चाहिए और वो भी उसी टाइम चाहिए. बट ये पैंडेमिक ने मुझे ये सिखाया है दैट वी नीड टू रीबूट एंड रीस्टार्ट. सो वी नीड टू चेंज आवरसेल्व्स. अगर आपके घर में छोटी सी बालकनी है, आउटडोर स्पेस है, कुछ भी है, लेट द किड्स बी देयर इन वाटर टब, छोटा सा स्विमिंग पूल, कुछ भी है, गिव देम टॉयज़, वाटर बलून्स, जस्ट लेट देम बी. 2 घंटे उनको छोड़ दो. डोंट वरी कि गंदे हो जाएंगे, गीले हो जाएंगे, सर्दी खांसी जुकाम, फॉरगेट इट, कुछ नहीं होगा इनको अभी, होपफुली नॉट. एंड अंदर, इन द मीन टाइम, sit inside, put your leg up, have a cup of coffee and just relax. It's okay. Don't have to constantly be stressed about the smaller things. Having said all of this, it's actually an extremely stressful time for the children. They are the ones who are so used to going out and have a particular routine, and it's now all come to a standstill. एकदम से ही रुक गया है और लंबे समय तक रुक गया है. तो as a mother, I get very stressed when my child is constantly asking me, Mama, when can we go to school? When can we see our friends? When can we go to the park? Why can't we go outside? Why do we have to wash our hands all the time? छोटे बच्चे हों तो वो लोग इतना एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते हैं, एंड तभी उनकी जो टैंट्रम्स हैं वो ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं. दे आर समटाइम मोर क्लिंगी टू अस, एंड it leads to, as a parent, you get very stressed about these things. इवन ओल्डर चिल्ड्रन, उनके इतने ज़्यादा, उनका एक सपोर्ट ग्रुप था, उनके टीचर्स, इंस्ट्रक्टर्स, कोचेस, फ्रेंड्स, और अब वो सारे रोल्स मिक्स होके एक पेरेंट कर रहा है. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट दे आर ऑल्सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, एंड वी नीड टू जस्ट प्रोवाइड अ वेरी वेरी comforting and nurturing situation at home. We need to communicate with our children. We need to sit with them, maybe spend those extra hours at bedtime, even just sitting without any gadgets and talking to them is very important. And I think we need to give them that safe environment that it's all going to be okay. And also, please don't sort of try to change your children now. Imagine if your child is a night bird. He or she is used to sleeping late and studying at night, and now suddenly you're saying, please wake up at 6, do yoga, do exercise, study, and you're making a routine for them. No, they are already undergoing a big change. So don't introduce any more changes, just let them be. Yes, follow a broad routine, but don't try to bring in big changes which you also cannot handle right now. So these were a few tips that can help you in staying mentally healthy during the lockdown. If you have any more, do write about it, and thank you so much, FitTalk and India Today group. Thank you.